Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can scan QR codes on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. There are two main ways to scan the QR code. The first one is by simply using the camera. So if you open the camera, and then if you hover your camera over the QR code, then it should be detected and you should see the link from the QR code over here. And then you can simply tap on the link in order to open it in the browser. Another way to use the QR code to scan it is by opening the quick access. So you want to swipe from the top to the bottom twice in order to open the quick access. And now over here you should be able to find the scan QR code option. If not, you can press this pen button over here and then try to find it in the full. So if you go to full, if you press edit, then over here you should be able to find it somewhere in these options. And then you should be able to press it in order to add it to the list over here. So let's go back, let's open the scan QR code. And this is how it looks like. And once again, simply scan it or aim towards the code. And there we go. We should be able to detect the link. And then we have the option to open it, copy or share it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.